Introduction. Welcome to the world of upcycled fashion. Hi to everyone. Welcome to Money Raised, where creativity meets sustainability. I'm your name, and I'm thrilled to take you on a journey into the exciting world of upcycled fashion. In today's world, sustainable fashion and DIY projects are more than just trends. They're a movement towards a more conscious, creative, and eco-friendly lifestyle. And in this video, we're diving headfirst into the magic of transforming everyday items into stylish fashion upgrades. So let's get started. Finding inspiration. The treasure hunt begins. Before we dive into crafting, the first step is finding inspiration. Think of it as a treasure hunt. You can explore vintage shops, flea markets, or even your own home. Hidden gems are everywhere, just waiting for a creative touch. Imagine turning an old scarf into a chic belt or finding a forgotten necklace that's perfect for a DIY project. Look out for materials like old jewelry, buttons, fabric scraps, or even outdated clothing. The possibilities are endless, and the thrill of discovery is half the fun. Transforming basics. Turning old into new. Now comes the transformation. Let's start with something simple. Turning an old t-shirt into a trendy crop top, a cute tote bag, or a stylish headband. With just a few cuts, some sewing, and a dash of creativity, you can completely reinvent basic items. Don't forget to experiment with embellishments, like sequins, patches, or even hand-painted designs. Mixing and matching fabrics and textures adds a personal flair to your creations, adding personality. Jewelry accessories now. Let's talk accessories, the ultimate way to add personality to any outfit. You can repurpose old chains, beads, and brooches to create stunning statement pieces. For example, why not turn vintage earrings into a one-of-a-kind pendant or bracelet? Or incorporate unique finds like shells, feathers, and buttons into your designs. With a little imagination, even the simplest materials can become bold fashion statements. Style confidence. The final touch, the beauty of upcycled fashion, is that it's uniquely yours. Play around with combinations and create a look that's completely personal. Incorporate your DIY upgrades into cohesive, stylish outfits, and most importantly, wear them with confidence. Remember, your creativity is what makes these pieces truly special. Before we wrap up, I'd love to see what you create. Share your upcycled fashion pieces with me in the comments or on social media using your hashtag. Let's inspire each other to keep upcycling and make sustainable fashion a movement to remember. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative ideas. Until next time, happy upcycling.